Hi children, welcome to today's session. Today we are going to see part 3 of our chapter. In the last class we have discussed means of communication and the journey of letter we have discussed. Today we will see modern means of communication. Before that we have studied early means of communication. Drum beats, fire, everything is the early means of communication. Now modern means of communication. Today modern means of communication. As we know, these are the main modern means of communication. Telephone we are using always, fax machine, mobile phone, computer, newspaper and magazine, radio and television, artificial satellite. These are the modern means of communication. Children, all the spelling by heart well. Write it in your SS notebook. Write it in your notebook and study the spelling. Telephone, fax machine, mobile phone, computer, newspaper and magazine, radio and television, artificial satellite. We can see about each one. First, telephone. It is used, see this is telephone, okay, this is telephone. It is used to talk to people in other places. And STD and ISD, these you have to understand and learn. STD means subscriber trunk dialing and ISD means international subscriber dialing. While we want to make a call, we have to use the STD format to talk people in another state. Okay, not in our state. If the people to whom we are talking, he is in another state, use the term STD code. STD we have to use, and ISD code we are using international, means than of people in another country, than of India. If they are in another country, to them if we want to make a call to them in telephone we have to use ISD code. Next one is fax machine. This is fax machine used to send written messages or letters, even photographs. We can send written messages, photographs or any fax, anything we can send through the fax machine. Mobile phone, as we know, we are using daily online classes. Still you are using a mobile phone in your hand, right? Mobile phone can be carried anywhere, right? Anywhere we can carry. We can also use them to send messages, SMS, and SMS means short message service. SMS means short message service. So we can use mobile phone to talk to people who are there, wherever they are. Even we can carry it to anywhere else. That is the peculiarity. Then next means is computer. If you have computer at your home, you are familiar with that computer. It made the communication easier and faster, right? Fast way means we can use a computer to do anything quick on the moment itself. We can send emails through computer using internet. We can send mails to others using the internet in computer. Next, newspaper and magazine. They are modes of mass communication. It is part of mass communication. It gives us news about events happening around the world. Means it is also another means of communication, and we can use it events happening on daily, and we will see that. We can send messages to a large number of people at the same time. It is the main point. We can send messages to a large number of people at the same time. At the same time we will, means for the newspaper daily we are getting, and almost all the people they are reading in the daytime itself. That's why messages pass to a large number of people. Then radio and television. See, it is radio. Do you have radio at your home? Then you know you will get the messages daily. Certain entertain us and enrich our knowledge. We will get information and enrich our knowledge. Then artificial satellite, it is post-modern means of communication. These are sent into space to revolve around the earth like moon and send information. So from the it will be sent to the moon and we will receive the information. It helps to transmit radio and TV programs all over the world. We will get the clear information by using the satellite. We are getting the information to the radio with the help of satellite. And next to a small portion is there about traffic signals. Traffic signs, a small portion is there in your textbook. Traffic signs are displayed on roads for the safety and convenience of people. While we are traveling to the road, we can see different varieties of symbol signs and signals in the road. It is for our safety. These traffic signs are divided into three categories: regulatory signs, warning signs and informative signs. Just to understand what is it. A regulatory sign means to regulate and discipline the traffic on the road. For the perfect discipline on the road, we are following the regulatory signs. It is for the safety of road users. In your textbook, you can see a few pictures. You have to see that. Then warning signs, it is used to warn a driver about dangers on the road ahead. So while we are traveling to a place, if it is not our own local area, so by seeing the signs or symbols on the roadside, we could understand that something dangerous going to happen in the road. Even if it is a S-type curve is there, there will be a warning symbol near the road. It helps the driver to be careful while driving. It will help the driver well. Then the last one is informative signs. It helps a driver to reach the certain places, means giving the signs where if you are going to a particular hospital that we don't know where it is located. By seeing the symbol on the informative signs on the roadside, we could realize where the hospital is located. That is informative signs. It helps the driver who is unfamiliar with the area. If you are unfamiliar in an area, this sign will help us a lot. It is just for an information, no need of by hearting it, but understand what is it. Then the notes are there, children. Already we have discussed. Name the modern means of communication. These are the modern means of communication. Learn all the spelling also. What does the word news stands for? NEWS, north, east, west and south. Then what are the three categories of traffic signals? Regulatory, warning and informative. What is the full form of STD and ISD? STD, subscriber trunk dialing. ISD, international subscriber dialing. You have to write it in the notebook and learn well. Then true or false is there. Artificial satellites rotate around the earth. It is correct. Next one, radio and television programs entertain us. Correct. Computers have made communication easier and faster. Correct. We send electronic mails or emails through artificial satellites. It is not, we are not sending mails through artificial satellite, we are using the computer. So it is wrong. Telephone is not used to talk to people in another places. False. We can talk to people in another places who are residing in another places by using the mobile phone. Next, fill in the blanks. The dash can be used to speak to people living in different places. Mobile or telephone. We can send messages over the dash using a computer. Over the email, means through email we can send messages. Newspapers and radio are modes of mass communication. Dash transmit television programs across the world. Artificial satellite. We can use mobile phones to send messages using SMS. Through the mobile we are sending messages by using the SMS. So children, this is about today, and these already I had given. In the beginning also, these new words you have to write in the notebook and learn well. I will read it for you. Subscriber, fax machine, artificial satellite, magazine, international, electronic, transmit, traffic, regulate, informative. So write it in your notebook and learn the spelling. Dictation will be there in the live class. Okay children, your work is you have to read the full chapter and all the notes, whatever I had given as notes, write it in the notebook and learn well. And the beginning also I had given a few 10 points, that also you have to write it in the notebook. And in the next class we will see the next chapter. Okay children, thank you.